Hello everyone, today's lesson we're going to talk about how to do the calculation for these subtractions of the vectors. Okay, we will give two examples. First we talk about example 10. Okay, let's talk about example 10. So what's inside the example 10? So giving okay, maybe we can write here. So this is example 10. So giving, we know that A equals to 2, 5, B equals to minus 3, minus 4, and then C equals to 7 and minus 1. So basically we have these three vectors. Okay, let's talk about the first question. So the first question, question is question number 1, sorry. The first question is A minus B. Second one is the A minus B plus C. And then third one is C minus C. Okay, right? So from here, so how we do this question? So this is the example 10. Okay, this is the example 10 question. Okay, this is example 10 question. Okay, so okay, that's solution. Okay, so number 1. A minus B. Okay, A minus B. In the previous lesson, we already know that. Okay, we have two vectors. Okay, A is 2, 5 minus 3 minus 4, right? Okay, in this equation, so we can bring the minus sign inside the vector. So now we will get 2, 5 plus, right? Okay, let's see the first one. First one is A minus B. Okay, if this is the case, we know A is 2, 5, and minus B is minus 3, minus 4, right? Okay, in the last class, we know that, okay, when two vectors subtraction each other, so we will just subtract the x component, the y component. So from here, we see that 2 minus bracket 3, and then 5 minus bracket 4. So from here we get answer. Okay, we get answer. So we know that, okay, 2 plus 3, because the minus cancel off each other, 5 plus 4, right? So from here we get answer. What's the answer? 5 and 9. Okay, 5 and 9 is the answer. Okay, the first one, right? So we get an answer. Let's write answer here. So that is equal to 5 and 9. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, let's continue. We can also write answer here. Okay, second one, 2. 2 is A minus B plus C, right? So from here we can write the same thing. We bring all those values, minus 3 minus 4 plus C, 7 plus 1. Okay, so because these are two brackets, so we have write a bigger bracket here. Let's write a bigger bracket here. Okay, let's write a bigger bracket here. So we need to write a bigger bracket here. Okay, so that's what we get. So because we already know A minus B equals to 5, 9. Okay, then we just plus 7 minus 1. So from here we know that, okay, because this is additions of vectors, so just bring the things, plus 7, 9 plus minus 1, right? So from here we will know that 5 plus this 12, and then this 9 minus 1 become 8. Okay, now we know the second answer is 12 and 8. Okay, that's very straightforward, right? Okay, let's continue. 3 is C minus C. Okay, C. So what's the C? C is the 7 minus 1 minus 7 minus 1. So we know that this is vectors. Vector minus himself. Straight away we can know the answer is 0, right? But we still do the calculation here. 7 minus 7, 1 minus 1. So from here we see it's 0 and here plus cancel each other, right? So become 0. Okay, so that is also called 0 vector, right? So we get answer 0, 0 and 0, right? Okay, so this example 10 is very straightforward. Very straightforward. We get these answers, right? Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the next example. Let's move on to the next example. Let's move on to the next example. Example 11. Let's move on to example 11. So see what we get in the example 11. So given A equals to 5, 7, B equals to minus 4, 3, right? So given this, so let's find. So what's the question? Question is, number 1 is find the magnitude of A, B, and A minus B. The second one is what? The second one is suitable. So let's determine if A plus B equals to A plus B magnitude equals to the A's magnitude plus B's magnitude is true. Okay, so this is the given example. This is the given question in the example 11. Okay, let's do the solution. Okay, the first one. Okay, let's see. So what is the A? Magnitude of the A equals to 5 squared plus 7 squared. So we get 74, right? Because this is 25, this is the 9, just plus them together, then we get this, right? Okay, so let's correct to the 3 significant factor. So then we get result is 8.96 unit, right? Okay, this is what we get. So correct the 2, 3 significant factor. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so what's the B? B is the same thing. Okay, we have this minus 4 squared plus 3 squared equals to how much? This is 16, right? Then plus 9, so you got 25. So 3 we can get answer is 5. We get 5. Okay, now let's look at the next one. So we want to have A minus B. Okay, so we're gonna find out these things. Okay, so basically, so sorry, this is the plus. Okay, this is the plus. Okay, plus. Okay, so if this is the case, so before that, to find out this magnitude of this A plus B. So we need to find out the vectors. So what's the vector of A plus B first, right? So A plus B equals to 5, 7 plus minus 4, 3, right? So, and then we get what we get. 5, then we plus minus 4, and bring 7 plus 3. So what do we get? 5 minus 4 is 1, and then here's 10, right? Okay, so what is the magnitude of this A plus B? So we just use this one, right? So it's 1 squared plus 10 squared, so what we get? We get 101, right? So let me just correct for the 3 significant factors. So what will we get? So we get this 1, so corrected to the 3 significant factors, okay? So now let's look at this. Let's look at this A plus B and the second one. The second one. So second one we get what? So is A plus B. So we just bring here. So where's A? This is A, right? A is how much? 8.60 plus. So where's the B? The B is here, right? B is 5. So what we get? So A plus B, what we get? We will get A plus B equals to, that's how much, this is 3, this is, okay, 13.60, right? So we can see that. Okay, now let's determine is that this is true. This is true. Is this true? So look at these two values. Right? They are not correct. So from here we can see A plus B is not equal to A magnitude plus B magnitude. Right? Okay? So this is not true. Yeah? Right? Okay, now from the example 11, so we can come up to the remarks. There's two. Let's say we have one triangle formed by a vector A, B, and A plus B. So these 3 vectors, they form a triangle here. So here we will know that, okay, in a triangle, okay, in a triangle, so a side is always, a side of the triangle must be less than the sum of the other 2 sides, right? So from here we know that, okay, so side A plus B must less than the magnitude of A plus the magnitude B of B. Okay, so magnitude is the length of this A and magnitude B is the length of this. So these two add up together must more than one side. That means A plus B, right? So this is the first one. Okay. Second thing, okay, let's look at this one. So if we have another triangle, okay, which is this triangle. This triangle is also have a vector A, vector B, and then also another line. Okay, this line we can make it as, okay, from here we can go this is the direction of this, right? Okay, so for examples, okay, so if we have this triangle, so we will write in this way. For example, we have this. So from here we know that this is A minus B, right? Okay, use the subtraction just now we learned from the previous lesson. So from here we see, okay, so in this triangle, so basically we have a vector A, B, and A minus B, right? Okay, so we have this three vectors. So from this vector, we also can see that, okay, so basically, okay, in the triangle, it apply the same concept. Is a sine but always must less than the sum of the other two sides, right? Right, so from here we can find out, okay, so a minus b is always less than a magnitude of a and magnitude of b, right? This is very easy to understand, right? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Thank you, bye.